In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 steps to making $1,400 or more in a day with a done-for-you business that you only have to set up one time. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I started this exact business because my company cut my pay in half, and I decided I didn't want to get another job after that. I wanted to learn how to be financially independent outside of jobs. And then, long story short, I tried many side hustles before this, but then one day I was just scrolling on social media and I found the side hustle while I was scrolling on social media. And what attracted me to this more than anything else is the fact that you earn 100% profit. You're not splitting your profits with other people. Like most businesses on average only earn 10 to 30% profit. We earn 100% profit here. And I love the fact that it's high ticket. You can make up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is about 6 customers a month, and you're making 100K. Okay. And I love the fact that it's automated, so you can make money in your sleep. There's community training support. Okay. Millionaire mentoring. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to bother friends and family. You don't have to pay for ads. Okay. These are the things that I really love about this business. Plus, there's zero monthly fees. Okay. So I've made thousands of dollars with this business, but I'm not guaranteeing any results here. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Everything is based on your effort. I'm just showing you what's possible, like the results that I've had and the results that other people have had inside of our community, and just showing you how all this stuff works too. So just so you understand, because not a lot of people understand this stuff. See, like you got to understand business. Every time you buy something, money goes to somebody's pocket. And then every time you sell something, money goes to your pocket. So if you want to make more money, I mean, generally you got to sell more stuff, right? Okay. So and there's basically 2 ways to make money. You can be an employee, which means you're working for other people. You're working for, business owners, or you can be a business owner, which means you're working for yourself. And the wealthiest people on the planet are business owners and investors. So it just makes sense to learn how to be an entrepreneur. It just makes sense to learn how to be a business owner, in my personal opinion, and investor. Both of them are good to learn. That's what I study myself. So here's how you make money online. Okay. This is for any offer, any kind of offer that you have. Okay. Because like 99% of like when it comes to making money online or making money in general is like through sales, right? The only thing besides sales is like trading. Okay. But that's still buying and selling, right? So 3 steps to making money online, 3 steps to making $1,400 or more in a day. Step number one, your offer, the thing you're selling, product, opportunity, service. It can be your offer, it can be somebody else's offer. Okay. I'm showing you how to sell other people's offers. Whatever you sell, make sure it's something that's in high demand, something that people are buying. Okay. And I recommend earning 100% profit. Like if you can earn 100% profit, do something where you can earn 100% profit like this. Why settle for less? Why do affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing if you don't have to? Okay. And then system, this is what automates your business. This is how you make money in your sleep, right? This is how I've personally made thousands of dollars. Some people in our community have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some people in our community have made over $1 million. Okay. So basically, people go to your website, they buy stuff. But before they go to the website, they go to your capture page, they put their email in, they watch videos, they get emails from you, following up with people for you. Okay. And then they go to your website and they buy stuff. So step number 3 is you need a strategy to get people to go to your website, which is basically marketing, right? Attraction marketing. So there's 4 basic ways to promote any offer, to promote any business. You can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content strategies. So we teach you free content strategies, attraction marketing. So basically, we have a 2-hour workday that you follow. Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media. Choose your favorite platform or platforms and just post and get rich. Okay. You can also go live. Okay. Pick your favorite platform, go live. You can also post free ads on high traffic websites. And we show you how to do everything step by step, even if you've never done any of these things before. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, in about 2 hours a day. Okay, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, you don't need any experience, you don't need a resume, you don't need a high school diploma, you don't need a college degree to do this. You just got to do it. So if you want to learn more, go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. You can check out this business and see if you want to do it. Yeah, so just enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, and reply to my emails if you have any questions. You can unsubscribe at any time. Okay. So I basically gave you a rundown how to make $1,400 or more in a day. How every business on the planet works, by the way. Every business has an offer, a system, and some kind of strategy to get customers. Okay. So that's it. Offer, system, strategy. That's how you make $1,400 or more in a day with this business. or any other business. It works. It's the same process. Okay. So now let me share my screen real quick and I'll show you what everything looks like, how to get started. I'll show you inside of our community. I'll show you what I do to attract customers, and that'll be it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. So let me share my screen. So first, let me show you what this system looks like. So when you get started, we give you the system. It's basically a sales funnel. This is called a capture page. So people go, they click on your link, they put their email in, you're building your email list, okay? Then they go and they watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. It's doing the explaining for you, right? And then they can click on this button, which will take them here. Oh, well, there's another video that they can watch. And okay, so this video explains the programs. We sell 5 digital programs, so it explains exactly what the programs are. And then they click on the button and it takes them to the website, which looks like this. Super clean. Okay, this website kind of reminds me of Apple's website. It's very clean, very simple. Okay, a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. That's what this is. Okay, this is a global business opportunity. So you're going to have your own business. You can earn anywhere from 100 to 1,400 per sale. Plus, we teach you how to build recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, and affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, and to become certified in digital marketing. Plus, we're always adding more stuff to our program. Okay, we have over 59,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. So people love our program because it's beginner friendly. There's a 2-hour workday. There's a 2-hour workday. Okay. You can work anywhere. Your schedule, available in English and Spanish, global business, simple tools. Okay. Simple steps and simple tools to follow. You get to keep every dollar you make up to 1,400 per sale, and you learn how to attract customers. Okay. So all these skills that you learn, you can use for the rest of your life. Like I'm learning all these skills that I'm talking about right now, and you get to use this for the rest of your life. Not only can you use these skills, you can teach other people these skills too and get paid well. You can get paid well for teaching people how to do this. Some people say marketing, all it is teaching. Here's your bio section. You put your picture here, your bio. This is perfect for you if you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggle to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of an online business. Okay. Testimonies on the website. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. I got basically giving you a rundown of this business. Okay. We teach you how to use AI too. You want to learn how to use AI. AI is going to replace jobs, and people that know how to use AI well, they're going to make a lot of money. So we teach you how to use AI to build your business too. There's a certification training you go through, so you become a licensed reseller of the programs, and you're going to learn digital marketing. Okay. It's a global business in English and in Spanish, so you can get customers from all over the world. This is going to show you what you're going to learn inside of the programs, and this is going to show you what's inside of the programs, because that's what we're reselling here. We're reselling digital programs. It's kind of like a franchise business, and you get to resell these programs. So not only get to learn about the programs, but you can resell them as well. And there's a video that explains everything that's inside of the programs. So people go here, they purchase one of the programs, 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1,400. Every time they purchase, it goes directly to you through your payment processor. Okay. So you can earn anywhere from 100 to 1,400 per sale based on which level you're at. Okay. So to start this business, it's a one-time investment. You purchase one of the programs and then you just pay your website fee, and there's no monthly fees. So if you start at the 1,400 program, which I recommend because that unlocks everything. Okay, if you start at the 1,400, you can earn at that level and everything below, right? Now, if you start at the 100, if you purchase the 100 program, then you can only earn at the $100 level. Okay, you can earn 100 unlimited $100 commissions, and you can always upgrade later. You can always upgrade. You can start at a lower level and upgrade to a higher level. That's fine. But I would recommend starting at the highest level because you want to unlock all the information, you want to unlock all the trainings and the bonuses, and you want to unlock the highest earning potential. Okay. And all you need is one sale and you get your investment back. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Right. And then we have all these bonuses, like you get access to our community, you get millionaire mentoring for free, which is crazy because a lot of people charge for that. You get this extra bonus trainings, different trainings, how to do faceless, how to create your own digital products, things like that. Those are your bonuses. And then there's frequently asked questions on the website. You can check that out. And that's it. Okay. So that's basically how the website is. And this is how I've made thousands. This is how we've made millions because we have a whole sales funnel that people go through. And this system's working for us 24/7. Okay. So let's say you decide to join this business and you purchase one of the programs. You're going to have access to everything inside of this platform called Kajabi. So this is where you're going to have access to everything, your certification training, your bonuses, your programs, your website setup. Okay. Everything you need is here. And like, for example, you just go through and you watch the trainings, like start here. These programs were designed to help you make 6 and 7 figures. Okay. It's going to show you how everything works. Okay. And then phase two is like you want to go and you want to watch this launch to profit in 7 days. Make sure you watch that. Teaches you how to get your first customer in 7 days. Okay. So just go through the trainings around your schedule, right? And this shows you how to set up your website. Okay. This shows you how to set up your whole sales funnel, your whole system that I showed you. Okay. This shows you how to set it up. Like basically all you got to do is get your accounts opened. It shows you exactly what to do. You just watch the videos, one video at a time. Like you got to set up your GoDaddy, got to get your domain and your business email. If you don't have one, professional email, you can get that through GoDaddy. We show you how to do that and how to set up your payment processors like Square, Stripe, PayPal, etc. And then how to connect your domain to your system. And then when it's finished, it looks like this. And you just test it, make sure everything's working, make sure all the buttons are working correctly, and then you're good to go. You got your businesses set up. Okay. So let me show you inside of our community. Here's our community. We have over 59,000 people. When I joined this community, there's 9,000. Now there's 59,000. So I've seen people make so much money in the past 2 years because I've been doing this for over 2 years. Not only have I made thousands of dollars, but I've seen people make a lot of money, thousands, hundreds of thousands, even some people have made multiple millions. So there we go. So here's a win section. So people post whatever they want to post. They made 9,000 today in their currency because they're from South Africa. Global business. We got a lot of people from South Africa, Canada, United States, all over the place, everywhere in the world. Okay. Yeah, let me see another win. Okay. Another one. They made $850. Boom. $700 in 2 days. Boom. Let's see. There's so many wins. Another $100 sale. Yes, $1,400 Tuesday. Those are the best. Those $1,400 sales are the best. I'm forever grateful to God for allowing me to be a part of such a life-changing business opportunity. You can do it too. If we can do it, you can do it. Here's some bonus trainings in our classroom that you can go through as well. Getting started, go here, go through the bonus trainings. The replays are there. If you miss a live replay, you can watch the replays. Calendar shows you the live events. Like we have a special Q&A today with a millionaire. Tomorrow we have a webinar. You can invite people to these free webinars. And that's pretty much the community. Okay, once you're inside of the community, go here, introduce yourself, ask questions, 24/7 support inside of our community. Okay, so now for promoting the business, like what do we do to promote the business? Like I told you, 2-hour workday. So we post content. So I do videos, long form videos. You can use whatever social media platform you want. I like YouTube, I like TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. I spend more time on like probably YouTube than others, but like you can use whatever platform you want. I create short form videos too, like 7-second videos, words on the screen, talking videos, short form videos, long form videos. My lives are recorded. Okay. You can see my lives are recorded as well, so people can watch those. I have some different playlists. So sometimes it's like business, sometimes I'm giving people value, like motivation, inspiration, marketing tips, mindset tips. I mix the value and the business. Like here's like motivational stuff. Here's value, 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 value. Okay. Just value stuff. So you can do like written posts on YouTube. It's cool. TikTok is the same thing, mostly shorts, short TikToks on here, talking videos, 7-second videos. That's it. And you don't need a following. You can start a social media from scratch. Doesn't matter. And then here's how to post free ads. You can post free ads like any part of the world. There's different websites you can go to like this. For example, you go here, build wealth, affiliate marketing, business. See, this is a way to make money online. This is a way to build wealth, right? So you could do anything, side hustle. So I just click on side hustle. I go here, I copy and I paste and I post my ads. Okay. Takes about a minute to post an ad. There you go. For example, you can look, I've posted ads. I post ads once in a while. It's not like the main thing that I do, but I do post ads. For example, I posted this ad. So look, here's my ad. Okay. And then inside of my ad, there's like, here's my website. You see, here's my YouTube channel, my community, my free community is also inside of there. So you can also build your social media through these free ads as well. So that's pretty much it. So I pretty much showed you how this business works. If you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the bio. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, make sure you like this, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anybody. If you know anyone who's looking for legitimate ways to make money online, then just share this video with them. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day and God bless.